Hi there, my name is Polina and I'll guide you through the content marketing template. First of all, as always, let's start from the structure. So I click here and I see two databases my space consists of. So we're going to have articles and topics. Let's go to the visualization part. So first of all, we have a table with topics. Here you can add all the topics you're going to write your content about. And if I open any topic itself, it will have a list of fields inside. So there are two formulas. The first one, which calculates number of articles. So how many articles have we overall written on this topic? As you see, syntax here is pretty straightforward. And we have a number of published articles. This one is also relatively simple. It just checks how many articles have final state, and our final state in articles is published. So you can compare how many overall articles do you have in progress about this theme. This topic also has a state, because at some point you may have multiple topics. You may decide which of them are in focus right now. That's where you have to concentrate your effort. And there are keywords: boost productivity, time management tips, increase work efficiency, and a lot of other, options. Why do we need them? Because then we have a button which is called AI Suggest Ideas. So this button calls an AI. So inside you have, as expired content manager, generate 10 ideas of articles to publish on selected topic. Topic lives in the name field. For every idea, also suggest 5 SEO-friendly keywords. You can improve this prompt, and it may also focus on the keywords that you have here already. So right now, button doesn't include them, and it will suggest you options as well. So you can decide what do you like more: to use keywords which you have chosen manually and then ask AI to rely on that, or ask AI to get the keywords based on its expertise. So I click this button here, and there we are. So it suggested to me 10 articles. Again, if at some point something changed and you want to be more specific, you can always change the prompt. So it suggested you more ideas. So we can go through some of those articles. Let's say, imagine this one we think is a good idea. So I highlight it and I click here, create entity. And what I'm going to create an article. So now out of the text, I created a new item. And I can also link it here. Remote work productivity strategies for success. Okay. Now our formulas are recalculated. We now have our idea. We can navigate to the article right from here. And I think this is all what we have to do about the topics. Once we suggested articles that we want, we have all of them right here in our all articles table. So I can open the newly created one. I can define what is it will be. Maybe it will be an interview. That maybe we want to have it like in January somewhere. Publication date is not here yet. Score, maybe it will be something like this. And success metrics, I can also add them here manually as a text. So this is what we have about the article itself. Inside it also has a text. So here is full text where I can add something. You can also upload files if you want to. You can also leave comments. Everything here is fully collaborative. You can tag people, they receive notifications, this kind of stuff. And as for this particular view, we have quick filters here, exclude published. So in this case, you will see only articles which are not published yet. Or you can click on button ideas only, like this, and you will see only articles which are in the ideas state. These quick filters are configured here. You can check and even add your own icons, your own namings, or your own quick filters here. Once everything is added, we also have a content pipeline. So it shows us the same type of data, the same articles, but now they are grouped by state. So probably here it's easier to see how many articles do we have in a particular state. We also have scheduling by writer. So this is a timeline like this. So everything will go for Polina because I have only Polina in my team, but this is probably it. And we also have upcoming deadlines. Here you will see, we rely on filters. So we are checking all the articles which are still not published, and which have planned dates end. So if we know when we have to publish it, then it will appear here. And everything here is sorted by the date's end. So the one with the toughest deadline will be on the top. And we also have colors that if you missed the deadline, the card will be marked red. And last but not least, you can always open an article. Let's say here I have some examples. This is the text with some images, with some markdown. So like it doesn't make a lot of sense. It just explains how the markdown works. And on the article level, we also have a button which is called AI Improve Written Text. So inside it has a prompt where we ask to analyze the text field as an expert content maker, correct everything, make sure the content reads smoothly, and we also want to have a SEO optimization. So when I click on this button, it will paste you the text into the AI version field. So it will not rewrite your text, it will rather create a summary of changes, it will give you the polished content the way it is, and it will give you a list of SEO suggestions which you can ignore or something you can accept. So AI is not for us, rather it is a helper. Fiverr has pretty powerful AI in text, so if you wanted even to write an article, I believe it's possible if you prepare nice prompt, nice keywords, and these kind of things. But we do not recommend you doing that because humans write much better, much empathetically good writers. And let's fulfill the internet with good articles rather than AI generated SEO focused. But it can help us check out the grammar, these kind of things. So last but not least, a thing we have to go through is that on the topic level, on the article level, we also have a rule which is called notify author about deadlines. So every day at 9 a.m. this rule is checking, do we have any articles which are not published yet, but they have a deadline today. You can also change it right here. So if it will find an article which has to be published today and is not ready yet, it will notify assignees, those who has to be the author, with this message, hi, deadline for this article is tomorrow, by tomorrow. Let's do it tomorrow for sure. Please speed up. And this user will receive notification in Fiverr itself, or you can also customize and then he will receive it in Slack or in email or in your custom tool. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ping us here in human support chat. We will be happy to help. And this is it. Thank you for watching.